can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes. You can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. If you can fit him, you can have it. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes.
What's up, everybody? Today's gonna be a Walmart haul of some things I grabbed, everything affordable under $10. This is a shirt for my son and his matching Granimo sweats with the little neon green tag and the dinosaur ears on the side, the little dino eyes. Like I said, everything is under $10. I'm glad he's still in the small kid section, but I got 2 sports masks, one for me, one for him, but it's too big for him, so I'm keeping them both. I have me this cute detail slit open light blue skirt with the sunflowers and the ribbed back for spring/summer with the matching white top to go to it. And that's just a regular tank. And then I went ahead and I grabbed these shorts. They are like sweat shorts, and it has the heart at the bottom with the scrunch waist and the drawstring, the ribbed bottom at the end, so it looked fringe like it's been cut with scissors, but they're actually made like that. And then I have this orangish red color with the rainbow at the bottom, and I got a blue tank to go with that. And this is more of a spaghetti strap shirt rather than a regular tank top. And then this tank and that tank were both under $4, but push that to the side. And then I got this 2-piece. They both say 18 something on the tag, but it's a 2-piece set for one price. And I got a crop top with the skirt with the slit in the side, and it scrunches at the back of the waist, but it's flat across the front. So it's a very cute little summer spring dress you wear with your sandals. And then I got a leopard hat to go with my leopard boots with my shorts and my tanks for a whole compact look. So these are all the outfits for spring/summer, and it is all Walmart. No, it's not paid nor sponsored. I wish it was, because I shop at Walmart all the time. But I'm actually going to take my son's outfit out of this, and then I'm going to add in the outfit with the compact boots and the hat. So that's that. Don't mind the DD's bag on the side. That's going to be another video, but these are all the outfits, and I'm going to try them on for you guys. So let me get out of my Walmart Selena shirt and my Georgia jersey shorts. Boom, outfit number 1. So with this outfit, I do not have a bra on because you can pull it down off the shoulders, and I do have piercings, so you can't see that through the shirt. So make sure you have some kind of like half bra on if you're gonna wear this. If not, that's fine too, because guess who ain't wearing one? Me. But anyway, this is outfit number 1. Same with outfit 2. Now my Arizona video never posted, but if it did, then you would have saw this top. But I just paired it with this skirt, and the skirt is super thin. So if you're cautious about your body, you will see your shape and curves. I'm a little cautious, but then I'm not. And so I really don't care about the little bottom part. I could just suck it in. But if you want to, you can wear this with like a bodysuit, and you don't have to wear the crop top. Either way, it's fine with you. Make you happy, not nobody else. But this is outfit number 2. And yes, I show you regular and Snapchat filters so you can see how they both look. But this is outfit number 3. I wore this to Venice Beach the other day. Just a plain blue tank. I did wear it with the sports bra. And then the shorts. And my little sandals, my little Walmart sandals under 10 bucks as well, which I showed in another video. If you go down my channel, I have all types of videos. You can check them out. Don't forget to click down low, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what content you would like to see so I can get that to y'all. But I'm going to get into outfit number 4 in like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I lied. Had to get a little twerk in real quick. But this is number 4. Just a plain white tank with the pink shorts. Keep it light and airy. Don't contrast too many dark colors with the light. That way it stays in the whole spring summer vibes. You can wear a regular t-shirt. You can wear a tank. I tuck my tank in a little so it shows a little bit of belly but not too much. And then I have the same sandals on as well. So this is look number 5, and these shorts are super thick, so they make me look even bigger than what I already am. Even though I'm working on getting that down, still I've always been thick, so I'm just learning to accept it. But this is a spaghetti strap top with the shorts, my combat boots, and my matching hat to my boots. But that is it for the video. It was just a quick Walmart haul showing you guys some things for spring and summer, and I will check you guys in the next one.
If you can fit them, you can have them. If you can fit them, you can have them. Try to walk in my shoes, try to walk in my shoes.